In a previous video, we delved into the root of transformation failures, which is organizational complexity and the challenges it poses in delivering a large transformation. Now let's focus on the important part, the key to success. This is part one of two videos in which I'll detail the solution. Hello everyone, Michael Shank here, longtime consultant in the financial services industry, author of the book Digital Transformation Success, and your digital transformation and operational excellence consultant. The key to success is getting your organization into alignment. In alignment, every element of your business should work cohesively to fulfill your organization's purpose. There are two critical dimensions to alignment. First is vertical alignment, harmonizing strategies, goals, knowledge, and activities from the C-suite down to individual contributors. This involves defining everyone's role precisely, so it's clear how they contribute to the organization's purpose. The second dimension is horizontal alignment, emphasizing effective collaboration and coordination across various business and functional areas. This means breaking down silos and fostering synergies so that units work effectively to achieve common goals and objectives. To achieve alignment, and I mean in a tangible way, a common language is needed. This language creates a shared understanding across diverse perspectives, enabling clear communication by removing ambiguity and confusion. It fosters collaboration in delivering on a complex transformational agenda. For a common language to be effective, it must satisfy three criteria. First, it must be business-oriented, which is critical for driving change through the lens of how the organization creates and delivers value. Second, it must facilitate cross-functional connectivity, linking concepts from different teams through that common language to tear down organizational silos and promote stronger communication and collaboration. Third, it must represent different levels of granularity, being useful for both senior leadership and lower level staff at the same time. In my experiences, working across many diverse transformational domains in my 25+ year career, I've considered this question extensively. In my conclusion, the only candidate that satisfies these criteria is business process. To illustrate, let's consider a single process and examine how various groups interact with this process during their function to run the business. A strategy team will have to consider if that process is strategically important and requires additional investment. A business team will want to optimize the process for customer experience and profitability. Technology teams will need to architect, build, and support technology that executes this process. A risk management team will need to analyze the process to identify if there are any risks that need mitigating controls. Compliance teams will want to ensure that the process adheres to relevant laws and regulations. People leaders will want to ensure that their teams are equipped for success with appropriate training, procedures, and job aids. There's much more. You could consider internal audit, external regulators, data governance, testing teams, requirements teams, the list goes on and on. To achieve alignment across all these groups and enable them to coordinate effectively, that process would have to be named, have a single definition with known boundaries, a clear owner for coordination, and an understanding of the resources involved in executing that process, which I'll cover extensively in part two of this series. That is what is meant by a common language. But processes don't live in isolation. The end of one process could be the beginning of another. Understanding the complete sequence of processes to accomplish something significant is called the end-to-end process. If that is to deliver an experience for a customer, then it's called the customer journey. If that is the chain of events from initial concept to delivering value, then it's called a value stream. To get an end-to-end understanding, the upstream and downstream processes will also have to be defined. Zoom out and your organization likely has hundreds or thousands of processes, any of which can be a source of inefficiency, risk, or any other pain point. That means providing definitions and ownership for every process is critical to alignment and to your transformation efforts. And finally, an indexing structure will be needed to organize this information so that it's accessible by anyone and everyone to perform their jobs. That means organizing this information into a taxonomy, which is structured by what the business does, providing increasingly more granularity as you go deeper down. This is where process inventory comes in. Process inventory is a framework and methodology for capturing and maintaining a definition of each process, allowing transformations to benefit from alignment and deliver with better certainty. This alignment gives transformation leaders the accountability and transparency they need to focus the organization on delivering the transformational commitment. This framework effectively addresses virtually all transformational challenges. It enables the definition of strategy in a way that provides precise clarity on the impacts. Additionally, it facilitates an efficient change process, utilizing this common language across all facets of the change lifecycle. Furthermore, it enables operational excellence by providing the transparency needed to eliminate inefficiencies and waste, enabling organizations to become more agile in the face of future uncertainty. It provides enterprise architects with deeper insights, enabling them to create flexible designs that closely align with the needs of the business. Additionally, it can significantly improve risk management, giving organizations confidence in their ability to safeguard themselves, their customers, and the markets they serve. This is the only framework that addresses this important and urgent challenge in such a comprehensive and holistic manner through a consistent business lens. This marks a paradigm shift, which positions process as the backbone that coordinates diverse functions to efficiently operate and transform organizations into the digital age. If this perspective resonated with you, please hit the like button to stay ahead with more in-depth content like this. Make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. Your thoughts matter, so drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll detail the data integration aspects of the key to success, and I'll be posting more upcoming videos on delivering transformation successfully.